Hello, this is me telling you how to make soda bread. I'll do the science bit afterwards. Right, we'll need this, which is 500 grams of yogurt. This is non-vegan soda bread, unfortunately. We also need 500 grams of flour. Which I will weigh. Right. Right, that's too much. That's too much. That's about right. Okay, add that to this. And then you put, I'm going to put, say, a couple of spoonfuls of bicarb in. Say 3, I think, because there's quite a lot of, I say 4. Okay, mix it up, and then you have to sort of make it into a dough, which I shall do. This is very quick, by the way. Okay. There's no kneading necessary, it's a lot faster than ordinary bread. Okay, it's starting to form into a dough now. The main advantage of this method of making bread is that it's really, really fast. There are a lot of disadvantages. Right, it's starting to go doughy and fizzy, vaguely sort of fizzy sounding. If you can hear that, it sort of sounds. Right. Okay, it's definitely becoming doughy now. Just get that stuff off my hands. Fetch a plate. There's a knife. Here's the dough. Put it on there, and then you cut it down, make it into a rough ball. Cut it like that, and like that. Separate them out a bit. So you get like 4 lobes. Then you stick it in your microwave. So that's how it looks right now. It hasn't really got into 4 pieces because it's a bit soft. Here's our rather dilapidated microwave. Get in there. Set it to 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Right, well, I've left it about 5 minutes now. It's possibly not long enough, and also I did think it was a little bit squishy, so it's a bit difficult to tell what's going on. So here it is. Unfortunately our microwave is broken, it won't go around properly. So here we go. It's very hot. Okay, right. I think that should just be left now to dry out a bit. It's not had a proper cross cut in the top because it was too squishy. I'm not sure what's going to happen to this, to be honest, but it might be alright, never know. See what happens really. But anyway, it's really fast, isn't it? Bye!